the React Native Expo Devtools. In the console view, you can see the source console. With the memory, it is using it's slow because it is running through your internet, so it will take some time to load all the details. You can see, you can select the element also. As you can see, this is the Expo React Native app which I'm running on GitHub Codespaces, and I'll show you how to debug the Expo React Native app through tunneling, through ngrok tunnel. So to start, first of all, start the Expo server with the command npx expo start --tunnel --go. We are starting the Expo server Go version because the debugging can only be happened when the Go version is enabled, because HTTPS tunneling is not allowed. So we'll start with Go version. I'll start the Expo server. We'll wait for the server to get started. Now the server is running, so we'll copy the ngrok tunnel URL, which is this, to this, copy, and in the new Chrome tab we will go to Chrome is to settings /content /insecure content, and this insecure content page will add it to allow to secure insecure content, and paste this and add, click on add. After that, connect your device to Expo Go server. So I'm connecting it on my device. As you can see, now it is compiling all the node modules. It's taking some time. And as you can see, now my device is now connected, and this is running the Expo React Native app. Now we start debugging by pressing the J button. It says error logic devtool, the edge part environment must be set to edge Chromium executable no older than edge stable. This is the error, and if we start debugging from the device, it says the same thing. To use the debugging in Expo React Native app, In tunneling mode using ngrok tunnel, what we have to do is to go to this site which we have copied /json/list. You can see that my device is now connected. If your device is not connected, it will show an empty error, empty array. So what we can do is go to the same insecure content and remove it. Click on add and allow this and click on current ignito session only and add. In the ignito tab, what we have to do is copy this devtool frontend URL, that is this URL, to this, copy all and go back to your app and paste it here. And what we have to do is replace this with this. Replace this URL here. Add http:// and this also. Copy up to this. Copy. And we're going to paste it here by replacing it. And after that, on this site, replace it with the URL also with this. Copy it here and in the WebSocket to here, we have to copy it and paste the URL we have copied. This way this is the URL we all need, and then copy this URL and go to here, click here and open this site. See, this is the React Native mode. The React Native Expo Devtools. To the console view, you can see the source also. View the memory it is using. It's slow because it is running through your internet, so it will take some time to load all the details. You can see we can spec the element also. The profiler, friends, memory, see the source file. This way you can access your React Native Devtools using the ngrok tunnel. I'm going to close it for now.